Local home services company FH Furr is joining forces with 7 News DC on our annual Feeding the DMV Peanut Butter Drive. For every customer that joins the FH Furr Preferred Partner Plan in May, FH Furr will donate a jar of peanut butter to the Capital Area Food Bank. And when you become a Preferred Partner Plan member, you receive priority service, annual heating, cooling, electrical, and plumbing as well, and inspections up to 15% off the standard prices for all services. So that's 4 maintenance inspections on all of your major home comfort systems included in the program each year to help protect your home from voided warranties and premature system failures. Getting a membership is as simple, as easy as a phone call. You can even get your home protected and help fight hunger all at the same time. As a local community-focused business, FH Furr has provided home comfort services in the area for more than 40 years. For more information, get those details at fhfurr.com. That's www.fhfurr.com.